All right, folks, today we're diving into something that's going to take your ride to the next level. Check this out. Our FX Series LED running board. This isn't just any running board, it's packed with features that'll make your truck stand out on the road. There have two main functions, startup light show, parking light, and sequential turn signal. All right, let's get into it. First things first, when you get your hands on this LED running board, don't just rip into the box like it's Christmas morning. Take a second, open it up nice and easy, and pull out the instruction manual. Check out the parts list. It's going to show you every single piece that's supposed to be in the box. Lay everything out and make sure it's all there. Missing a part? Don't sweat it. Just email us and we'll hook you up. All right, now that we've got all our parts laid out and our safety gear on, it's time to get our hands dirty. First up, we need to clean up the area where we're going to install this thing. Grab a stiff brush or a rag and get rid of any dirt, rust, or grime around the mounting holes. You want a clean surface so everything fits snug and secure. Next, grab your instruction manual and find the diagram that shows where each mounting bracket goes. These brackets are the backbone of the whole setup, so you want to get this right. Take your time, line them up, and just set them in place for now. Don't worry about tightening anything yet. We're just getting everything positioned.